How's it going, guys? Colin here from Trail Thrills, and today we will be unboxing and installing the LX Light 7-inch round black LED headlights into our 2011 Jeep JK Wrangler. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unbox these LEDs. So let's open up the package. And inside we do get the instruction manual that tells us how to install them. And then looks like we got some protective packaging, and we have the LEDs themselves. So let's take these lights out of the packaging, and we can set the box aside. And now let's pull these lights out of the foam. Here's one of them, and then here is the other one of them. And it looks like we do get some cables to help us install the lights into the Jeep. Now these LED headlights are supposedly a plug-and-play system for most Jeep Wrangler JKs, some LJs, some TJs, and also some Scramblers. So hopefully they work in our 2011 Jeep JK Rubicon. These lights do measure 7 inches wide and about 3.75 inches deep, so that is a size that should work for us. And these lights do feature a black backing, whereas the stock lights feature a silver backing. So the black backing should look really cool when it's just sitting there and the lights aren't on. And that's mainly why we got these LEDs, for a little bit more visibility at night, and also it's gonna look a lot cooler. Alright, so we're gonna remove the plastic film and get a closer look at these beautiful lights. There you go. See this one? Now let's move the plastic film on this one. And guys, that is really cool. I really like the black background it has. These LED headlights were $90 for both of them, so that is not a bad price at all. If you want to get a really top-of-the-line headlight, you're going to be spending a lot more than $90. And for our application, these LED lights are going to be perfectly fine. So now that we have unboxed them, we've taken a little bit of a closer look at them, we're going to go ahead and install them into our Jeep JK. And we're going to set up a time lapse to show you guys what we're doing. And then we'll let you guys know how the installation went after we're done installing them. Alright guys, so the LX Light 7-inch headlights look really cool in the Jeep Wrangler. You guys can see them right there. As far as the installation went, it was super easy. Yes, it was a plug-and-play system, so if you're just a beginner in the world of Jeeps, it's super easy to install. All you gotta do is plug them into the existing cable, and then you are done. So we hope that you guys like the look of the new lights on our Jeep Wrangler. And we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on Trail Thrills.